What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Wes and this is Wes What's Cooking, the channel where I give you recipes on any and everything. Today we're going to take that package of ramen noodles you got laying around in your pantry and we're going to do something to it. We're going to add some peanut butter, soy sauce, chili sauce, a whole bunch of flavors, you'll see. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first we're going to start off with our peanut butter. If you're a smooth person, go with smooth. If you're a chunky person, go with chunky. I'm a smooth guy, so that's what I'm going to use. Then we're going to add our chili sauce to it. Next, we're going to hit it with some maple syrup. And we're going to follow that up with our soy sauce. Now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and whisk it together, just because if I add in the chicken broth or veggie broth or whatever broth you want to use, it's going to get a little splashy. Too splashy for my liking, so this is what I'm going to do. So once you got it all mixed together that first round, we're going to add in the broth. And then we're going to whisk it together again till it's all incorporated together. So once you get it all mixed up, you just want to set it to the side and then we're going to work on our other ingredients. So in a saucepan, we're going to start off with our sesame oil. If you don't have sesame oil, use olive oil, avocado oil, whatever oil you have, use that. Then we're going to add in the garlic. Follow that up with some bell peppers. Red, green, yellow, orange, whatever color you have, that's the color you're going to use. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, your garlic is going to start to be a little brown, just like this. And that's how you know it's time to add in the sauce. So you just want to pour it in that saucepan with that garlic and bell peppers. If you had onions, it would have been good too. Chicken would have been great, but we're going to keep it vegetarian for right now. So you just want to stir it around and wait till it starts to get a little thick, and then we're going to start to work on our noodles. So as you may have noticed, I have water boiling in the back. Just for this, we're going to take that little square of ramen noodles out of the package and we're going to place it in that water and we're going to let it cook for about 1 minute. 1 minute is enough time because it will continue to cook in that hot peanut sauce. We don't want to overcook it because it will be mushy and nasty. So after about a minute, you will see it start to come apart, and that's when it's time to take it off the eye and strain off the excess water and pour it into that peanut sauce. As you see, I had a little bit too much extra water in there, but it's okay. It's still gonna eat. It's still gonna taste good. We ain't gonna worry. So you just want to stir it until it's completely coated in that sauce. You don't want to overdo it because it is continuing to cook and it will get mushy, and that's not what we want. So once it's done, you want to pour it in a bowl, garnish with some cilantro, green onions, crushed peanuts, a side of lime, and you have peanut ramen noodles. It's quick, it's easy, it's tasty. It gets a thumbs up from me, 5 stars all the way. And as usual, exact measurements will be down below in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And I'll see y'all next time. Y'all take care.